Today in this video, I can tell you how you can save your file in Excel. Now here you have seen I have made the table and create the table, and after that now I want to save this file for my future use. For this you can click on File menu and then click on Save as, then you can click on this PC or browse where you want to save this file. Give location for saving the file. I will save it in the drive and write sales sheet. Now look over here, Excel workbook dot xlsx. You can also save it in Excel binary 97 2003 version. If you have the old version, you can save it in this way. Excel 2003 version, you can also save it in PDF. If you have any other variant, you can also save it in this. I can save it in .xlsx. Now click on save. Like that. Now I will show you where it's been button. This is the sheet. Now I can double click it and the sheet is here. In this way you can save the file. Thanks for watching this. I hope you have learned a lot in Excel how to work.